3 plus 3 times 3 by 3. What is the value for this expression? So 3 plus 3, 6 into 3 by 3. So 18 by 3, which is 6. But this is the wrong answer. This is incorrect answer. So write the question first. So we can write this expression as bracket 3 plus 3 times 3 divided by 3. Now you know the rule, which is PEMDAS. First we'll solve the parenthesis, means bracket part. Then exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here multiplication, division both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So first we'll solve this bracket part. In bracket part, first we'll solve which part? Here addition and multiplication is there. So first we'll solve the multiplication, means this one. So 3 plus 3 3 is 9, divide by 3. Then 3 plus 9, which is 12. 12 divided by 3. The final answer is 4. This is the correct value for this expression.